David. Look. He's running away from a cup. He's funny. Cool. Wow. Cupcake. How's the cupcake?
Mama.
Thankfully, the flower was not there. Hi.
It's ballet when we get home.
Anna, can I see your bangs? Do you want me to cut it?
No.
So that much but oh, did they sew your nails? Can we see your nails, Hannah? Your brother's sleeping. Can I see your nails, Hannah? It's funny. Bread. Are you going to try it? It's pandesal. But I made shapes of it. Why don't you be a bread, Hannah? Hannah, why don't you be a bread?
I'm not being bred.
No, I mean, on your costume day, why don't you be a bread? Let's make you a bread.
No.
Or yung ano. Hi.
Gaga, goo poo poo.
Baby. Lagyan na lang natin ito, be. Kasi nalimutan ko yung breadcrumbs. Ang sarap niya, be. Ang linamnam niya. Okay, we'll give the neighbor, si Isabella, their friend. And we will give David. Try it.
Oh no.
Okay. Try it.
It's bread.
Yeah. Try it, Hannah.
It's fresh.
Is it yummy or not?
Out the oven.
You like it? Oops, be careful. David is getting it. David, try. He tried it. Come on, here. Here. Oh, he's crying. He wants to eat more. Feed natin siya, be.
Target. Try to touch.
He cannot sleep if he eat this, be, so he'll just have this. Likes it. You like it, David? Aw, you're cute. He loves tater tots. And let's try to give him mashed chicken nuggets.
How many tries do we get? 3?
Yeah.
Ang sarap na dyan siya. Sana hindi iiyak, no? Sakit ng likod ko, kakahawak. Ay, salamat talaga. Sino ba naka-invento nito? The best. Yay! David is playing. You even have book here, David. Oh, look at that. Yeah, you can open that. He's playing.